Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to contact Semrush. Let's begin. Contacting Semrush is a straightforward process, but before you can reach their support or sales team, you might want to log in first to your account. And then, once you have logged into your account, there are several ways for you to contact Semrush. Number one option is via the Help Center. From here, once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the upper right corner. If you see any help center here, if you can't, go to the question mark on the bottom right corner. Click that. That would forward you to the help center. All right. If you want to contact the Semrush for anything related to the troubleshooting, or if you're encountering any issues, you might want to see and check them here. All right. You see, the support team is here to help. If you want to contact them, click this small button right here. You would be forwarded to this small section. All right. And type in your questions. All right. Click the message. Press enter. That's one way. Now, the second option is going to be if you wanted to contact the Semrush sales. All right. You have to visit the Semrush contact sales page. Fill out the form with their details and inquiry. Right here, for example, I'm going to put in our inquiry here. Fill in the information as much as you can. Right, company name, company size, phone number, and you agree to the terms and conditions. Click the apply button, and one of the sales representative support staff will get in touch with you to discuss Semrush plans or partnerships. All right. The next option that you can do to contact Semrush is another option for you to contact Semrush are these channels: affiliate program, HR department, if you want to explore some open positions here in Semrush, and of course the media inquiries. If you wanted to contact them for partnership or PR related information, just click this department. If you click the affiliate program right here, you might want to join the Semrush affiliate program, and if you want to start earning commissions, you want to contact them, click the apply now button. What will happen is you just have to sign up and boost your income, and from here you would be able to talk to one of the sales professionals here in Semrush affiliate program. Another way for you to contact Semrush is via the active social media platforms like Facebook. You can send direct messages or post inquiries here. All right. Or you can go to the Semrush Twitter or X. All right. When reaching out, include relevant details like your account, email, plan type, and a brief description of your issue or questions, because this speeds up the response process from the Semrush. All right. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.